guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lydia. So in this video, I would like to tell you all about the definition and the classification of food and beverage. So let's check this out. First of all, I would like to tell you all about the definition of food. Food is any substance consumed to provide nutritional support for an organism. Food is usually of plant, animal, or fungal in origin and contains essential nutrients such as carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients that use in our body to sustain the growth and the vital processes and to furnish our energy. And next, I would like to tell you all about the classification of food. Number 1 is according to the chemical nature. They are carbohydrates, vitamins, proteins, fibers, fats, and minerals. And number 2 is according to their function in the body. They are energy-giving foods. The carbohydrates, fats, and the proteins are considered as calories nutrients. So our body can perform the necessary functions. The example like rice, bread, potato, sugar, oil, and butter. And number 2 is bodybuilding foods. Foods such as proteins, fats, and carbohydrates are also called as bodybuilding food. They are all the nutrients that form body tissues, like fish, meat, chicken, eggs, nuts, and milks. And number 3 is protective foods. Vitamins and minerals are the nutrients that has function to regulate body processes. They protect us from various diseases, and we can get it on fruit and vegetables, so we need to eat this regularly. Number 3 is according to the chemical properties. They are organic food and inorganic food. Food that contain the element of carbon are called as organic nutrients. The organic nutrients include the carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and vitamins. And food that do not contain carbon element are called as inorganic nutrients, like water and minerals are inorganic nutrients. And number 4 is according to its mass depending on the quantity necessary for cells and organism. They are macronutrients and micronutrients. Macronutrients are required in large quantities daily. Proteins, carbohydrates, and fats are macronutrients. And the next, micronutrients. Micronutrients are needed in small quantities and it is usually in milligrams, and they are vitamins and minerals. And next is according to its origin. According to its origin, it has been classified as animal food sources and plant food sources. And then last but not the least, it is according to its nutritive value. There are cereals and millets, pulses, nuts and oil seeds, vegetables, green leafy vegetables, non-leafy vegetables, roots and tubers, fruits, milk and milk products, animal foods like meat, fish, liver, egg, and other, and carbohydrate foods, and condiments and spices. Okay, that's all about the definition and the classification of food. Next, I'll continue with the beverage. Beverage generally refers to the liquid that is swallowed. Beverages are all types of liquid that can be drunk or drinkable liquid other than drugs. Beverages have several basic functions, namely as a thirst, as an appetite stimulant, as an energy booster, and means to have food digestion process. Beverage can be classified as alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverage. Number 1 is alcoholic beverage. Alcoholic beverage is a portable liquid which contains 2% to 75% of liquor. They are produced by the introduction of yeast for fermentation into substances such as fruits, cereal or grain, molasses, and plant extract. Alcoholic beverage can be classified to categories. They are fermented alcoholic beverage and distilled alcoholic beverage. Fermented alcoholic beverages are classified broadly as 2. They are wine and beer. Wine is a beverage that is prepared by fermentation of grape or other fruits like cherry, apricots, pears, and others by the addition of yeast. And beer is prepared by the fermentation of grain with yeast and the addition of hops. And these are generally called as the fermented malt beverages. And next, the distilled beverages. Spirits, liquor, or hard liquor is an alcoholic beverage produced by the distillation of a mixture produced from alcoholic fermentation, such as wine. And the beverages are distilled using either a port still or a patent still. Distilled beverages are rum, whiskey, vodka, gin, brandy, and tequila. Number 2 is non-alcoholic beverage. Non-alcoholic beverages refers to non-intoxication drinks or soft drinks, which doesn't have a bit of liquor by volume or yeast is not introduced to convert sugar into alcohol during fermentation. They are aerated water, mineral water, juices, milk, tea, coffee, and others. In hospitality industries, the non-alcoholic beverages are essentially provided and served in breakfast time, lunch, and dinner with or without meal to the customer. They stimulate the palate and act as an aperitif. It is not only adds to the taste on, but it also enhances color and flavor and eye appeal. Alright guys, that's all the definition and the classification of food and beverage that I can tell to you all. And thank you for watching my video and see you at the next video.